Assalamu alaikum, I'm Omar Dasuki and you are watching Quran Recitation and Arabic course, the first level. In the previous video, we learned how to read and write the letters they connect before and they don't connect with the letters after. If you didn't see it, you have to see it and come here again. Inshallah, today we are going to practice how to read and write some letters. Those letters we have today, they connect before and after with the letters. They are Sin, Sheen, Sod, and Dod with Fatha vowel. Fatha vowel gives the short sound and A. Before we start, you should press like and do subscribe and share this video with your friends. Let's practice the letters we have today with a Fatha sound. Sin with a Fatha gives a sound Sa, Sa. Next one, Sheen with a Fatha. Sign, Sha, Sha. Next one, Sod with a Fatha. Sa, Sa. Heavy, Sa, Sa, Sa. Last one, Dod letter with a Fatha sign. Da, Da. To practice reading and writing them. At first, when we write Sin, Sheen, Sod, Dod at first and in the middle, we write the head of the letter, and those letters they connect after. Don't forget. Let's practice the letters in words. The first word on Sin, Sahaba, Sahaba. Sin has a shape at first. Next one, Sheen at first, Sharaha, Sharaha. Next one, Sod at first, Sabara, Sabara. Last one, Daraba, Dod at first, Daraba. Let's practice the shape in the middle. Khasara, Khasara, Khasara. Sheen in the middle, Hashara. Sod in the middle, Hasada, Hasada. Be careful. Sin, Sa, Sod, Sa, Sa, Sa. Sod heavy, Sin light. Last one, Hadara, Dod in the middle, Hadara. Let's practice writing them at the end. When we write Sin, Sheen, Sod, and Dod letters, they have the same shape at the end. Let's practice words. Darasa, Sin at the end, the same shape. Darasa. Next one, Sheen, Khadasha, Khadasha. Write them. Next one, Harasa, Harasa. Sod at the end in the same shape. Last one, Abada, Abada. Dod at the end. Okay, we practiced reading and writing Sin, Shin, Sod, Dod with Fatha vowel at first, in the middle, and at the end. Let's go to the test. I'm gonna give you 5 seconds. First question, read this word. Excellent. Radaha, Radaha. Excellent. Next question, read this word. Excellent. Habasa. Next question, read this word. Harada. Excellent. If you made any mistake in any word, see the video again. Do not make any mistake when you read Quran or Arabic. You should know the letters at first, in the middle, and at the end. Reading and writing. And press like, do subscribe, and share this video with your friends who want to learn Quran or Arabic. See you inshallah next video. Wassalamu alaikum.